is foaming up time. Can we get some more?
Alright, it's enough. It's going to fall over.
Everybody come look at this! We made an experiment that flows! Look at it!
Yep.
This is Hitchicord acid. Let's see what it does. Foaming time! Now we mix it up. What's it gonna foam up, John?
I don't think it is.
Let's add a little bit of blood. Fake blood, I mean. Whoa. This looks like a drink.
That's enough blood.
This is doing something. I think it is playing like this in the water. Here we go.
I still don't get it.
What?
I've seen that movie, but evidently I need to watch that movie again.
You don't know what that is?
Freddy got fingered?
Yeah.
I don't remember that part in it.
And he's talking about getting a job, and he's like,